Have you ever wondered how, in a sea of thousands of cryptocurrencies beyond Bitcoin, only a handful manage to survive and thrive in the long term? What sets these projects apart isn't just market hype, but solid technology, real-world applications, and the ability to navigate inherent risks. Today, we're diving into 6 altcoins worth watching in 2026, focusing on their tech, use cases, and potential pitfalls. Altcoins, short for alternative coins, refer to any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin. While Bitcoin primarily serves as a store of value and digital gold, altcoins often aim to expand on blockchain technology by introducing features like smart contracts, faster transactions, or specialized applications. They differ from Bitcoin in their consensus mechanisms, governance models, and focus areas, allowing for innovation in decentralized finance, supply chain management, and more. Selection criteria. To select these 6 altcoins, we analyze several key factors. First, technology. Does the project introduce innovative solutions to common blockchain challenges like scalability or security? Second, real-world use cases. Are there practical applications beyond speculation? Third, developer activity. Is there ongoing development and a committed team? Fourth, network adoption. How widely is the blockchain being used, measured by metrics like total value locked or transaction volume? Finally, security and decentralization. How resistant is the network to attacks, and does it maintain a balance between centralization and distributed control? These criteria help identify projects with long-term potential. Number 6, Avalanche is a blockchain platform designed to provide high-speed, scalable, and customizable infrastructure for decentralized applications and financial services. It aims to solve the blockchain trilemma by offering security, decentralization, and scalability without major trade-offs. The key technology behind Avalanche is its unique consensus mechanism, which combines elements of proof of stake with a novel Avalanche consensus protocol. This allows for sub-second transaction finality and the ability to process thousands of transactions per second. Avalanche operates with 3 interconnected chains: the X chain for asset creation and trading, the C chain for smart contracts, with Ethereum virtual machine, and the P chain for validator management and subnet creation. Major use cases include decentralized finance DeFi protocols, where low fees and high throughput support lending, borrowing, and trading, enterprise solutions like tokenized assets and supply chain tracking, and gaming or NEF platforms that require fast interactions. Strengths of Avalanche lie in its scalability, with reported capabilities of over 4,500 transactions per second in practice, and its flexibility through subnets, which allow for regulatory compliance in institutional settings. It's also energy efficient compared to proof-of-work networks and has strong interoperability with other chains. Possible risks include competitive pressure from other Layer 1 blockchains like Ethereum or Solana, which could erode market share. Number 5, Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform focused on sustainability, scalability, and interoperability, with a strong emphasis on academic research and peer-reviewed development. It seeks to provide secure and efficient infrastructure for decentralized applications, particularly in developing regions. Key technology includes the Ouroboros Consensus Protocol, a secure proof-of-stake mechanism that ensures energy efficiency and random validator selection to prevent centralization. Cardano uses a layered architecture, the settlement layer for transactions and the computation layer for smart contracts, written in Haskell for formal verification to reduce bugs. Recent upgrades like Hydra aim to improve scalability through state channels. Major use cases span identity management, where blockchain-based IDs help unbanked populations access services, supply chain tracking for transparency in agriculture, and voting systems for secure, tamper-proof elections. It's also used in education for credential verification. Strengths are its research-driven approach, which minimizes errors through peer review, and its focus on sustainability, consuming far less energy than proof-of-work chains. Cardano's governance model allows community participation via staking and voting. Number 4, Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that connects smart contracts on blockchains to external data sources, enabling them to interact with real-world information securely. It addresses the Oracle problem by providing reliable off-chain data to on-chain applications. Key technology revolves around decentralized Oracle networks, which aggregate data from multiple independent nodes to ensure accuracy and tamper resistance. Chainlink uses cryptographic proofs and staking for node accountability, and its cross-chain interoperability protocol facilitates data transfer across blockchains. Services include price feeds, verifiable randomness, and automation. Major use cases are in DeFi for accurate price oracles in lending and trading, insurance for triggering payouts based on real events, and gaming for fair random number generation. It's also vital for tokenized real-world assets, verifying reserves. Strengths include its modular design, allowing customization and widespread adoption, securing billions in value across protocols. Chainlink's focus on security reduces single point of failure risks. Number 3. Ripple's XARP is a digital asset built for efficient cross-border payments, operating on the XARP ledger, a decentralized blockchain. It facilitates fast, low-cost transfers, primarily targeting financial institutions. Key technology is the XARP ledger's consensus protocol, which uses a network of validators to achieve agreement without mining, enabling transactions in seconds. RippleNet integrates XRP for on-demand liquidity, bridging currencies without pre-funded accounts. Major use cases focus on remittances and international settlements, reducing costs and times compared to traditional systems like SWIFT. It's also explored in micropayments and tokenized assets. Strengths are its speed in 3-5-second and low fees, making it suitable for high-volume transactions plus partnerships with banks. The fixed supply of 100 billion XRP prevents inflation. Number 2. Solana is a high-performance blockchain platform optimized for speed and low costs, supporting decentralized applications and crypto ecosystems. It addresses scalability issues in earlier blockchains. Key technology features proof of history, a time-stamping mechanism that works with proof of stake to enable high throughput, up to 65,000 transactions per second theoretically. Sea-Level allows parallel smart contract execution, and Gulfstream optimizes transaction forwarding. Major use cases include DeFi for trading and lending, NFTs and gaming for seamless experiences, and DePIN for decentralized infrastructure like wireless networks. Stablecoin transfers are also prominent. Strengths are its low fees, pactions of event, and fast finality, attracting developers and users. Solana's ecosystem has high TVL and active development. Possible risks involve network outages from congestion, as seen in past incidents, and centralization due to high hardware requirements for validators. Security vulnerabilities in smart contracts have led to exploits, and regulatory risks persist. Number 1. Ethereum is the leading smart contract platform, enabling decentralized applications and programmable money through its blockchain. It pioneered the concept of executing code on a distributed network. Key technology is the Ethereum virtual machine MEMRA, which runs smart contracts, now using proof-of-stake post-merge for energy efficiency. Layer 2 solutions like rollups enhance scalability, and sharding is planned for further improvements. Major use cases dominate DeFi, DEXs, NFTs for digital ownership, and tokenized real-world assets. It's also used for DAOs and enterprise applications. Strengths include its vast ecosystem, with the highest developer activity in TVL and battle-tested security. Ethereum's decentralization and upgrade roadmap ensure adaptability. Possible risks encompass high gas fees during congestion, competition from faster chains, and regulatory scrutiny. Smart contract vulnerabilities can lead to hacks, and the shift to POS introduces new attack vectors. Why most altcoins fail? Most altcoins fail due to several common reasons. Lack of real utility leads to projects that are essentially speculative bubbles without sustainable demand. Poor security, such as unpatched vulnerabilities or inadequate audits, results in hacks and loss of trust. Centralization, where control rests with a few entities, contradicts blockchain principles and invites regulatory issues. Inadequate developer support or abandoned roadmaps cause stagnation. Finally, market saturation means many projects compete for limited attention, with only those solving genuine problems surviving. When exploring altcoins, always conduct thorough research, understand the technology, and be aware of the risks involved. Focus on long-term potential rather than short-term gains, and remember that blockchain is about innovation and solving real-world problems. If you found this breakdown helpful, subscribe for more educational content on crypto technologies and trends. Thanks for watching.